Stocks that are making headlines this morning. Pranay.
Keep a tab on all the telecom stocks. Yesterday after market hours, we saw the government announcing the new M&A rules for the sector, and there are a couple of key points to take away over here. Number one is that the merged telecoms entity market share should not exceed the cap of 50%, which was earlier suggested at 30%. So that is something which is going to be favorable for all the telecom players. Also, the reduced lock-in period for the merger and acquisition has been now reduced to 1 year over the previous suggestion of 3 years. So these two are positives, and especially at a time when the telecom sector has been ripe for consolidation, and these improvements and enhancements is something where we should see stocks such as Bharti Airtel, Idea, as well as Reliance Communications react positively to this. Then you also have specific news for Bharti Airtel, where it has now moved the Supreme Court of Nigeria against the decision of the Court of Appeals in Lagos, where it has been in a long-standing dispute with Econet Wireless over the ownership of Bharti Airtel's Nigerian unit. And yesterday we had seen that in the Court of Appeals it had lost the case worth $3 billion, which are the damages being claimed by Econet Wireless. So in response to that, it has appealed and moved to the Supreme Court. So watch out for this one. And lastly, you have international brokerage Credit Suisse, which has downgraded Ultratech to underperform from neutral, and has lowered the target price to 1430 from the previous 1700. Remember that we have seen the stock amble in a range of 1630 to 1750 over the last 1.5 months, and on the back of that you have seen this downgrade coming in. So watch out how the stock moves on this stock reaction.